Finally, there's a free open source AI video generator with built-in audio. It's called OVI. Think V3 or Sora 2 vibes, but you can run it yourself. With a single prompt, you can generate video with audio, spoken dialogue, background ambience.
Enjoy this moment, no matter where it takes you.
Even sound effects. Best of all, it's completely free and open source. If you're into powerful AI tools that save time and can help you earn more, subscribe to Learn AI quickly and stick with me so you don't miss a step. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install OVI on your own computer so you can run it offline as many times as you want. Here's the official project page, and here are a few demos. This is what the prompt format looks like. You can clearly specify dialogue by wrapping it between a start tag and an end tag. You can also describe what the voice should sound like and add background audio using oddcap tags. The lip sync is solid. It doesn't just animate the face. It moves the whole body, hands, and gestures that fit the context and the line being spoken. You can define actions inside the scene and decide which character talks. For example, a uniformed woman in the foreground takes a step forward, keeps her gaze on a young woman, then speaks, "Come here."
Come here.
You can also chain multiple actions and dialogue in sequence. For instance, the woman speaks the truth, slightly raises her right hand, opens her eyes and looks down to the left, and continues, "Is that?" Then you expand the prompt to guide her expression and actions even more, and she continues, "It's actually a really sad tale. It supports multiple languages." One example starts in English and
Is that it's actually a really sad tale.
then switches to German to help them through the grimness of daily life. And there's a Korean example as well.
제가 과거에 과장님께 뭔가
It isn't limited to dialogue. It can generate background audio like rain.
You don't know. I don't understand.
And it handles expressions and emotions. It can even sing. OVI also does image to video. You can upload a reference image to use as the first frame of the clip. Even Sora 2 won't let you do this if the image contains
The man in the
realistic
picture
people.
grinned
But here you can input a
and said,
photo
"Hello,
of anyone,
everyone."
or create a photo with any image generator and feed it in to produce a video with audio. It doesn't have to be talking head videos. It can generate context-aware sound effects and, as you just heard, singing too.
Come with you. I just love.
Those are the demos. Now let me show you how to actually use it. If you don't have a strong GPU, you can still try OVI online. Waves.ai gives you $1 in free credits when you sign up, and you can search for OVI at the top. They offer both image to video and text to video, and each generation costs about 15 cents. So the free credits give you roughly 6 generations. Another place is Fal.ai, which also offers text to video and image to video. It's paid and runs about 20 cents per generation. You can try it on Replicate as well. Currently image to video, also roughly 20 cents per run. And there's a Hugging Face demo interface you can click into. The nice thing is that OVI's weights are released so you can download and run locally. The repo includes instructions for a standalone Gradio app. But for this tutorial, I'm using ComfyUI. It makes life easier. It's optimized for performance, and it can automatically offload memory from VRAM to system RAM so you can get away with lower VRAM. If you haven't used ComfyUI before, it's the most popular interface for running open source image, video, and audio generators offline. I'm assuming you already have it installed. If not, check my full ComfyUI setup video. There are a few ComfyUI workflows for OVI out there, all unofficial. ComfyUI hasn't released an official workflow for OVI. For now, I'll use a workflow called ComfyYOV by this user. It's the easiest, most straightforward way to run OVI scroll to system requirements. It recommends a CUDA GPU with at least 24 gigabytes of VRAM, though some users report success with as low as 16 gigabytes. Even at 24 gigabytes, you'll still offload some memory to system RAM. Because the model is open source, expect quantized or compressed builds, or even GGUFS, soon that push the VRAM requirement down. But for now, aim for at least 16 gigabytes VRAM. Installation is simple. Go to your ComfyUI folder, open custom_nodes, and open a terminal there. Clone the repository. If the command in the README errors because they forgot to switch the name, click the green code button, copy the URL, and run git clone with that URL. You should see a new ComfyUI-OV folder. Open it and confirm the files match the repo. Then change directory into that folder. Quick sponsor break. LTX. Studio is an all-in-one platform that covers your whole video workflow, from storyboarding and shot planning to final professional videos. It offers powerful, affordable models, including their open-source LTXV model. The interface makes creating and editing videos easy. They've integrated Nano Banana for photo edits and upgraded to Flux Premium for high-quality images. There's also a text-to-speech feature powered by Google Gemini 2.5 Pro with multiple languages, accents, and emotional control. LTX is trained on licensed Getty images and Shutterstock datasets and allows free commercial use for most businesses. Check the link in the description. Back to setup. Install the Python requirements listed in the requirements.ext or requirements.txt file. Paste the pip command, press enter, and let it finish. When it returns without errors, you're good. A few extra files help everything work smoothly. The audio generator and the OV models will download automatically on your first run. But you should also download a compatible text encoder. If you have lower VRAM, grab the FPH version. It's almost 7 gigabytes. And place it in ComfyUI/models/text encoders/. Then download the 2.2 VA file, about 1.4 gigabytes, and place it in ComfyUI/models/VAE/. That's it. Now start ComfyUI. You don't need to build the node tree from scratch. Use the workflow file included with the ComfyUI OV repo. Drag and drop it into ComfyUI. In the first node, choose either the FP8OV model or the full BF16 model. If you have 16 or 24 gigabytes of VRAM, use FP8. If you have 32 gigabytes or more, you can try BF16. Turn CPU offload to true so the model loads into VRAM first and spills over to system RAM if needed. Without that, on low VRAM, you'll likely hit out-of-memory errors. Set the device to your GPU index. Most systems will be 0. If you have multiple GPUs, pick the right number. In the VAE node, choose the 2.2 VA file you downloaded. In the text encoder node, choose the FP8 version if you're tight on VRAM, or the BF16 version if you have 32 GB+. For accelerators, flash attention, sage attention, leave it on auto unless you know what you want. Now write your prompt. Describe the scene, add dialogue with start/end tags, and specify the voice and background audio with oddcap. Set width and height for your target output. Set a seed. Keep it fixed for repeatable results or randomize for variation. Leave the solver name at its default. Sampling steps control quality versus speed. More steps usually look better but take longer. Fewer steps are faster but can reduce detail. If needed, add negative prompts for video and audio to filter out things you don't want. If you want image to video, import your reference image and connect it to the image to video input in the workflow. Otherwise, leave it disconnected for text to video. Set your frame rate. 24 frames per second is the default, and don't forget to enable save output. Otherwise, your video won't be written to the output folder. On your first run, ComfyUI will automatically download the audio model and the FP8 model, which is almost 12 gigabytes. Then it generates. Now let's do image to video. I'll upload an image, connect it, keep a simple line of dialogue, and ask for a soft female voice. That's how to get OVI up and running on your own machine. The quality isn't on the level of V3 or Sora 2 yet, especially for tricky motion or gymnastics, but because it's open source, you can add LoRa's and push it toward any character or action you want, including things closed models won't let you do. It's the first open source AI video generator with built-in audio, while V3, Sora 2, and 2.5 are closed.
Beautiful souls, welcome back to another episode of our journey. Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back to another episode of our journey.
OV isn't as high quality as those yet, but this is the worst it'll be. Open models move fast, and better open video with audio models are coming. Tell me what you think about OVI. If you run into errors during installation, paste your error message in the comments with your GPU VRAM, which model you used, FP8 or BF16, and your resolution, and I'll try to help troubleshoot. I'm always tracking the top AI news and tools to share here. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to learn AI quickly,